child. Okay, I'm reclining. I just got finished doing something. So I've come to this conclusion. Reviews are bad. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. You gave it 5 stars, but then you followed up about 8 paragraphs of encouragement. Just for me, 8 paragraphs of detail because you know how I am, right? You just saved this project. I was about to box it up and send it right back to the store. But sir, you first initial last name, you said I took my door off and did it somewhere else. What's up, everybody? I am Lisa with Lisa's Voice Works, and in case you just arrived to my channel for the first time, hey to the doggy in the back. I stepped outside because my daughter is practicing her violin. You might be thinking, Lisa's Voice Works. What does it work to do? And really what it is I work to empower, encourage, and entertain. If you have never seen me before or you have never been to my channel, I am a mommy, I am widowed, I am a lover of Christ, I am a joy seeker, and I love to laugh. I am one of a dynamic duo. I have a twin sister named Jocelyn, and we operate under the moniker Here to Inspire You. So we want you to check us out there as well. But today, you have caught me in my 4th home renovation. Yes, I have done my cabinets, I have done my counters, I have done a backsplash, and if you have not seen that, you need to stop right here and go and check that out. Otherwise, you are on my final project for the kitchen, and I know I have said all of them have been great, but this one, this one is amazing. Shout out to my sister earrings by Dia. I'm just saying. So let's step back inside because we are about to rock these appliances. Let's go. While some people chose to paint their cooktops, I read reviews that said it bronzed or browned after a while. So I chose to do my range hood, the back of my oven display, my oven door, and dishwasher door. So here I'm just washing and cleaning everything. And then it was suggested that we rough up the surface a little bit with some fine sandpaper. Now, did I know what sandpaper to use? No, but this looked pretty cool, so I just picked it up. But if you want to make a more informed decision, and some of you DIYers probably already know this, these different numbers tell you the grade and what you're going to get. Okay, hold up. Stop right now. Do y'all see this? Can we take a minute to recognize the DIY diva that is me, myself, and I, moi? Je suis tellement ravie de moi-même. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to take it to my French days. I was getting a little carried away. I took the doors off of my oven and my dishwasher. Now here's team too much right here. I tried to put some primer on the side of here. Do y'all see that? It didn't ask for primer, but I tried it, Lord. And it smelled so strong. I had to stop. So here really I am doing the same thing that I did inside. I'm washing everything really well. And actually I had already done it, but I'm just doing it again for the sake of the camera. So washed everything, wiped it off, made sure that it was super clean before going to the next step. Hey, are you paying attention? Okay, just wanted to make sure. And then I sanded, real fine sanding across. Remember, the end product is that you want to get a brushed steel look. And here we are. Here is the star of the show, the liquid stainless steel paint. But can we take a minute and look at these countertops? Okay, I'm back. This is the kit, and I must say I'm a little shocked at the size. It's really small, and I am hoping at this point that it would cover all of the parts of my appliances that I want to work with. But it comes with your instructions. And you have a sponge brush to work with, sorry. And then these little itty bitty, teeny weeny, they're not yellow polka dot or bikini, but they're so small. These tiny cans of paint. You have your base coat first. See how little it is, help us God. And you have your top coat. I'm going to go ahead and stir this to get started. The directions said this was, oh wait, this is really, really thick. And the directions did say to stir consistently for about 2 to 3 minutes, that you were going to feel some of the particles. And I'm going to lift my stick up soon so you can actually see everything that I'm feeling in the bottom of this. It's really thick and clumpy. And I did stir it until it was smooth. We use side-to-side strokes. I already started a little bit. This is my cooktop range or cooktop range here, and I'm just going right to left. The suggestion was to go in one direction, right to left first for your first coat, and then the other direction. So I did that inside and then came outside and did the same. Notice that I am layering the strokes. So I'm kind of going on top of the stroke ahead of it. And here you go. These are the first coats of everything. And it looks splotchy, it looks uneven, and that is to be expected. Here's the first coat of the oven door and dishwasher. And my favorite tip in between your coats, which you have to wait a 1 hour in between each coat, go ahead and put everything in a plastic bag. It keeps your paintbrush from drying out. And I went ahead, since my little container was so small, I even put that in a plastic container. Here's my second coat on everything. Coming along. I think I like it. And finally, here is the third coat. And I think I'm gonna stop here. You guys may see a little bit of imperfection, but remember, I am going for a brushed look, and I like it. I like the angles of it right now and how it looks, so I'm headed right to my top coat. Yes, let me stir this a little bit with this spoon. I couldn't find my paint stick. And these strokes go the same way, one direction, overlapping and layering it a little bit until you get down to the end. And in between top coats, you wait about 2 hours. It's suggested that you can layer the top coats to the shine that you want. I'm already digging this shine. I got my studio light on, and I'm already loving the shine that I'm getting from the first coat. Ooh, it's still drying, so it looks a little splotchy, but trust me, you're gonna love the end. So here is the dishwasher before, and here it is after. That is sharp, y'all. You cannot tell me. Here's the oven before, and here is the oven after. What? You guys cannot tell me this does not look like real stainless steel. A facelift in my kitchen for $29. This is by far the most cost-effective way to give your appliances and your kitchen an upgrade. As I said before, if you have not seen it, everything in here has been upgraded. The cabinet color, the countertop effect. Go and check it out. It has been so much fun doing this. I think I'm pretty much done, except for little touches.